Let's make one of my favorites, Yorkshire pudding. Now, Yorkshire pudding traditionally is made with roast beef, but I really did like it there. I'm making this out of my husband's recipe, New Classic Family Dinners. So I got a tub of duck fat. I'm putting the duck fat in the pan. I'm going to heat that up in the oven. This is one of the most important things to do with Yorkshire pudding. You can't just put it in a pan. It's got to be in piping hot oil. So while that's cooking, I'm going to sift the flour. Very few basic ingredients here. I've got some eggs and some milk. 2 cups of milk, as you can see, 2 eggs. Give it a quick little immersion blend. You could use a fork, you can use a whisk. I'm just lazy today. I'm using my immersion blender, and I love how it looks. Immersion blender. Did I say that correctly? Okay, so now I'm going to mix the flour and the milk and the eggs all together. You can't put the batter into the pans until it's smoking. So it's not smoking yet. So I'm going to bide my time. I'm going to unload the dishwasher because that needs to be done. Let me check again. Is it smoking? No. Keep unloading the dishwasher. Okay, now there's the smoke. I can see it. So now I'm going to pour the batter about 2/3 because they're going to pop up. So I'm putting 2/3 in the smoking hot duck fat. Just saying that sounds good. And even though you should probably have a big roast next to you, you can make these on your own. You could even sprinkle with a little salt and cheese if you want. I know it's not orthodox, but whatever. You can make it your own. So you can see the duck fat is sort of covering the batter there. Oh, and look, it's looking really good. I can't help. I have to look. I have to check. It looks so delicious. And now it's ready. Oh my gosh. This is such a crowd pleaser. I made these for Thanksgiving once, and everybody loved them. It's a dish. I mean, who doesn't like piping hot, oily dough? Eggy dough at that. And it's pretty simple. It's just about technique, which is so true of so many of my husband's great recipes. New Classic Family Dinners. Check it out. And please hit subscribe to get more cooking videos.